Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening, I'm glad you're here. First off, before we get into this killer knife, I want to take a second. I want to thank all the channel members. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate you all so much. I want to say thank you for anyone who takes the time to subscribe and comes and watches my knife, my ADC content. Thank you. And thank anyone who just comes in here, checks out my knife and EDC content. I really appreciate you. I'm glad you're here. Today we have got an unboxing from a knife sent to me to check out from Tuya Knives. It is the Tuya Strength model T1747H in M390 titanium. And this is an interesting knife. I'm assuming it's going to be an interesting knife because my understanding is the Strength is a knife that was designed by a guy by the name of Ed Craft. And this particular one is DLC titanium, and it is an integral. Little sticker, quality everyday carry knives, warm blades, TuyaKnife. And then this is a TuyaKnife Co. card. Let's see if I can get it out without... Let's grab my handy dandy Amazon picker there. Thank you for choosing one of Tuya Knife to add to your collection. Enjoy new Tuya Knife and thanks for your support of my brand and Tuya Knives. Then it's got their socials, email, what is Tuya, about Tuya Knife dealers, and then we have the knife. Guys, what makes this knife special, as y'all know, if you follow the channel, I've reviewed and owned several Tuya knives, and I'm a huge fan. This one is unique. This one, if you can tell, and this was designed by Ed Craft, brought to life by Tuya, kind of as a collaboration, and Warren Blade Co. But this is an integral. So this, what you have is you have this really nice titanium frame. You've got this multicolored clip. Don't know if that's anode or Damascus, but it's various different colors. So you've got one hardware screw and one clip screw. On the show side, you just have the pivot. You have this little hump, I don't know if y'all can see that, in the titanium, this milled in to the front and the rear. Very unique. At first I thought it was, I've been wiping it trying to get the smudge off, and then I realized it was actually a high point in the design. And this is a super cool design. It is a multi-deployment. So you've got thumb studs, snap. You've got this DLC coated M390, fantastic spear point blade. I think an EDC survival, tactical, multi-purpose, wonderful blade. So you've got thumb studs. You like a reverse finger flick, it's there. You like to thumb flick it, it's there. You like to front flick, it's there. You like a traditional flick, there's a low profile flipper tab on the back, it is there. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 deployment methods right there. And guys, when I tell you this knife is smooth, it is jelly smooth. I mean, the way that it falls shut, because there's very few moving parts. You've got your two pieces of titanium, you've got your bearings, you've got your blade, and you've got your hardware. That is it. And it is an absolute gem. The detent is snappy as it can be, but yet it's not that resistant. So you would think on a multi-deployment knife, one of the deployment methods would either be too tight or it would be too loose. And I'm here to tell you that they are all tuned just as perfect as you could ever want, in my opinion. I think the knife looks super sexy. It's available in several different configurations. You can see it on their website. They've got different color configurations. They've got the black DLC. The prices kind of range, so you can take a look at those there. I will try to leave some information in the description. And again, this is just an unboxing, not to be confused with a review. I'll do a full overview on this knife after I've had some time to carry it, to cut with it, to open packages with it, to open. It's very, very slicey. It's got a very, what I would consider to be a spear point, even though it's got a thicker grind. Still very slicey. Very pokey, very piercy. It's thick right here through the center, so you've got this nice swedge, and then it thickens out right here, almost like a dagger grind a little bit. But it's just a really nice spear point with a gentle flat grind that's plenty slicey, like I say, but just a little bit more aggressive in terms of its cutting angle. Designed, I think, more to be a piercer and a, box opener, tear of materials, depending on whether that's cat food bags or whether that's paper or whether that's cardboard. Regardless of what it is, it should be very, very effective. I think it's going to fall in to be about the size of a Benchmade. I don't have the bug out here. I do have, just for a quick size comparison, the Civivi Baby Banter, and I always have the Cold Steel 4MAX, which doesn't give us a lot of help. I also have a handy dandy Sharpie to give you an idea. The Sharpie's about the same size as the Baby Banter, so not a lot of help there. We could look at it next to our Amazon box opener that y'all never probably have seen before in your life, except for when I open packages, because I always forget to link it. But it is going to be longer than it, and I will try to remember to link this if y'all are interested. A little titanium banana flipper knife there. But anyways, this is not a review, but it is a 7 1/4 inch knife. So your overall inches, 7 1/4. Your blade is going to run in right at 3 1/8. Your handle is going to be a solid 4 inches. The grip that I hold right here is 4 1/8. Your inside grip, if that's something that's important to you, is 3 1/2. So 3 1/2 right here, 4 1/8 right here, depending on where you want to grab this knife to cut materials. It is very solid. It feels like a very substantial tool because it's an integral. The titanium is solid. There's no internal milling. I like that. It feels like a real tool. So guys, this is just what I would consider to be an unboxing, quick overview of the TuyaKnife Strength, designed by Ed Craft. This one is in DLC. They're an M390. Beautiful, beautiful specimen. I look forward to carrying it. I look forward to bringing you guys an overview / review on it and getting you more information about it as I learn about it. But guys, thanks for watching the video. If you're still here and you hadn't had a chance yet, if you're so inclined, please hit that subscribe button and the bell notification icon. It does help me out. If you're so inclined, hit the like button. But most importantly, please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Please look out for each other. Go forward with love in your hearts and choose debate, not hate. I love you all. Peace.